Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be looking at how to find the area of a circle. We've already looked at how to find the circumference of a circle, the distance around the outside of it. Today we're going to look at how much space does the circle take up. Like circumference, we've got a formula for this, and we've got that the area is equal to pi, which is this value 3.14 we've already talked about, multiplied by r, the radius, squared. So we need to make sure we're using the right information. We're going to look at our circle. We can see in this particular example, we are given the radius of the circle. How do I know it's a radius? Because it goes from the center of the circle to the outside. Okay, any line that goes from the center to some point on the circumference is a radius. A diameter, remember, would go all the way across. So I've got the right information. I'm going to substitute it into my formula. So the area is equal to, we're going to use 3.14, remember, but if you've got your pi button on a scientific calculator, you're welcome to use that, multiplied by this radius, 9 squared. If you are using a basic calculator and it doesn't have a square button, which is usually denoted by an X with a little square above it, then you can just write times 9 to do this on a basic calculator. Okay, I'm going to put that into my calculator now. So 3.14 multiplied by 9 squared, and we get an answer of 254.34. Now this is an area, remember. The units in the question are centimetres, so our answer is in square centimetres. Yeah, 254.34 square centimetres. If you did use your pi button, you'll get an answer slightly bigger than that, but it'll be very, very close. Okay, a second, more complicated example. So we want to try and find the area of this circle. We're finding area, so we're going to use our same formula as before. The area equals pi multiplied by the radius squared. But remember, we're being asked for radius, and if I have a look at this, I can see that this is the diameter of this circle. It goes all the way across from one side to the other. The radius, remember, stops at the center. Let me draw in what a radius would look like. This is one radius here, just marked in red, and we can see that it's exactly half of the diameter. We saw this in the circumference video, and so we can write down nice and quickly that the length of the radius is 25 meters in this case. Now that we know the radius, we're back to our formula and we're going to do our substitution again. We've got pi 3.14 multiplying the radius, which is 25 squared. Again, don't need units at this point as long as we remember to put them into our final answer. Over at the calculator, 3.14 multiplied by 25 squared, and that gives me an answer of 1,962.5, not centimetres this time, but metres, and again it's an area, so they are going to be square metres. So we example where we're given the diameter, and an example where we're given the radius, and you've got to make sure you're using the right information in your formula. Okay, hopefully that helps with today's tasks.